How does respiration work? And what is this thing called diffusion? Let's find out today on JoJo the Caregiving Show. How do we get oxygen in our blood, and how do we remove all of the waste product from our blood cells? Well, it all starts with the exchange of gases, which we call oxygen and carbon dioxide. The tissue and cells of our body are constantly releasing their waste product and carbon dioxide into our blood. Our blood takes it back to the right side of the heart, which pumps it up to our lungs. Inside of our lungs, we have little tiny sacs called alveoli. When we breathe in, these sacs pump up. These little alveoli sacs rub right up against our blood vessels, so close actually that they share the same membrane. That's the wall that surrounds them. And through the process of diffusion, now diffusion is when gas goes from a high pressure gradient to a low pressure gradient. So when the carbon dioxide is rubbing up against the wall of the alveoli, that's high pressure. They want to go inside of the alveoli. That's low pressure. So the exchange of gas occurs between the carbon dioxide and oxygen. So oxygen is now in our bloodstream. We breathe out, and those sacs deflate. The alveoli deflate when we breathe out. The oxygenated blood tissue now goes back to the left side of our heart, which is pumped out to the tissues, the cells of our body, where the exact same process occurs up against the walls of the tissue and cells of our body. The oxygen goes into the tissue and cells of our body through diffusion, high pressure gradient to low pressure gradient. Waste product and carbon dioxide goes back into our blood, high pressure gradient to low pressure gradient. And then that blood is circulated again back to our heart to start the whole circulation process over again. So remember, when we breathe in, you are taking in life necessity oxygen. Keep us strong and healthy. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe. See you next time on JoJo the Caregiving Show.